guys, Parker here from Nop Outdoors, and in today's video we're going to be doing some creek fishing for smallies and hopefully trout. Now I am recording this intro a little bit through our fishing, and let me just tell you, we got a pretty big fish. I'm not going to tell you what species it is, so you got to watch and find that out. But yeah, so hopefully get some more and enjoy the video.
It's a gigantic smallie. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, I need to get the scale. Maybe drop him in the water for a second. No.
His lip is so big. Dude, second cast. We've literally been here for 3 minutes. We've never been to this spot before. We didn't even know if it had fish. Second cast, been here for 3 minutes, and we hook onto this giant smallie. Look at that. Dad, hold him up. Real quick picture. Or not, I don't know. I don't know.
It's definitely not right.
No, that's at least 3.
All right, we put it back in?
Yep. Release on this guy. I'll grab that. I don't want him to die. Oh, there we go. 2.04. That's a monstrous fish, guys. For us. We have not caught a lot of fish that's that big. There he goes. Let's freaking go. Smallie. So here, I'll explain a little bit of what was happening. So I got snagged on the rocks, and my dad was helping me get it unsnagged. So he got it unsnagged, and he was just reeling it back in. And all of a sudden, we could see it, like right here. And all of a sudden, it just disappears. And I'm like, and then the rod was like this. And then, oh my God, that was crazy. Say hi to your coworkers.
Hi, everybody. Nop Outdoors. First fish of the day.
Okay, guys, so we have switched to a different spot right now. We are now at this like local park. It's the same river though, and it's like a little cement walkway across the water, and it's a little bit wider. So we've been fishing for a while. So far, no bites. I'm hoping we at least get one more fish, but if we don't, it's okay because that one smallie was really nice. So yeah, so just wanted to let you guys know we moved to a new spot.